Google Classroom Tutorial 5, Creating an Assignment. So we will log into our classroom, choose our class, click on the plus sign. We saw how to create a question, we saw how to create an assignment. Now we are going to learn how to create, we learned how to create an announcement. Today we are going to learn how to create an assignment. We'll give the title for an assignment. This assignment is going to be a collaborative assignment for the whole classroom. I'm going to give them homework, read chapter 3, and these students needs to go in and complete their notes for that chapter. If somebody already has a particular point, they won't repeat it. They will just create a study guide as a whole class. Maybe pages can be assigned for them, sections could be assigned for each student, and they will just go read their part and complete the study guide. It's a collaborative assignment. So I'm going to go and give them a due date. Time is optional. And if I want to assign the same kind of assignment for different classrooms, I could. And as usual, I can upload a file from my collection of documents that I have or presentations, or from my Google Drive. Now I have three options here. Students can view the file. If you just want the students to read the notes, you could just choose students can view file. But my assignment now is like a collaborative assignment where every student will access the same document and change it. So they will just click on students can edit file. So it will be one document shared among the whole class. I have the option to assign or save it as a draft. I just assigned it. Now I'm going to create another assignment. This time, it is going to be an individual assignment. It's not shared, it's individual assignment. I can assign it to multiple classrooms if I need to. I can upload files, I can post a YouTube, I can have a link from a website, but I'm going to go to my drive and take an assignment from there and add it. Now I'm going to, since it is an individual assignment, I'm going to make a copy for each student and assign it. So 2 assignments have been assigned. Now I'm going to go to the student view and see how the students will be seeing the assignment. Demo student 1. So I went into, the students will go into their classroom and it'll say how many assignments are there for them, which is due, the web quest, as well as this assignment. So they'll go back to their classes. Let's do the study guide for chapter 3. Click on it. And it's not done now. They'll just open their document. The students open the study guide, and if you see, the name is the same, just like how it was in my Google Drive, and it has been shared to the whole classroom. Everybody will see the same document and they can just create notes. And then we'll go and see how student 2 will see it. So student 2 went and opened the study guide, and they can see student 1's notes, and now they can go ahead and do their portion of their project or assignment. Since it is a shared collaborative one, we do not need to mark as done because this one will have the name and everything over there. So it's like a collaborative assignment. Let's go back and see how the student will see the individual assignment. So that's the Martin Luther King web quest. Just click on it. I'll download a copy. Open with Google Docs. And when I opened my project, see, when I clicked on my project, this is how it came up to be. I clicked on Open with. I'm in the student view. I clicked on Google Docs. And then if you see, the name of the file that I gave was MLK WebQuest World Book Online. But when this student opened it, it's like a copy of that. It'll have the name in that document. So this student will follow directions and complete their work. So complete their web quest or whatever assignment you give them. It's automatically saved. And then when you go back to your classroom, the student will see this button that says Turn In. All they need to do is just click on Turn In. That's it. So their assignment is done. Now let's see how the teacher sees that. If the student wants to add any private comment, it is just for the teacher, they could. So on the teacher's classroom, this is what they will see. Martin Luther King web quest, one student completed it, one student did not. And this one will just say two not done, but since it's a collaborative assignment, and another great example for collaborative assignments could be like a peer assessment. If the students are writing something and peers can go ahead and add comments and assess, so it can go back and forth from teacher to student. So that will be a great way to collaborate. Now over here, if I click on the MLK WebQuest assignment, I'm just going to go and add a grade. This grade could be, the grade points could be changed. If it's for 100 points, I can just add a grade. And just give a private comment for the student. And then I return my assignment back to them. Now student 2 will see the assignment as returned. Before the teacher returned the assignment, it said done, but after the teacher gave a grade and returned it, it's like returned. They can go ahead and check their grade or any comments given by the teacher. At this time, take few minutes to go ahead and create an assignment. Create two assignments for practice. One will be in the edit mode, and the other assignment created as a copy for each student. Upload files from your Google Docs or from your documents or desktop and assign it to students and practice creating assignments.